I don't know about you, but I love finding a good deal. Let's talk about thrifting it. I love shopping, and I'm sure you do too, which is probably why you're watching this video. And if you mix shopping and style with some sexy savings, you get thrifting. I want to tell you some ways that you can become a secondhand master. Here are some tips. Number one, find a local thrift store, something nearby. Maybe you can even walk to it. Number two, become a regular at that store and find out what days the donations hit the floor. Number three, figure out what time is best to get the goods. And number four, figure out when their annual, biannual, seasonal, clearance, clear out sale is. Those were 4 tips to help you become a second-hand master. Let me know in the comments below the best deal you've ever made. Because by the way, this shirt was $3. Make you want to holla. As always, thank you so much for being here. Give that subscribe button some love and tap that little bell if you want to be notified of any new videos coming out every Thursday at 11 a.m. And I'll see you next week. Choose happiness and stay mindful. Bye!